Hello and welcome to today's meditation. Today we are focused on our peace, balance, and harmony, making sure that we are centered in our mind, body, and spirit. And as always, make sure that you are in a place that is going to be conducive to the meditation. And when you're ready, you may close your eyes and we will begin. Take a deep breath. Hold that breath. And release that breath. Again, take a deep breath. Hold that breath. And release that breath. I want you to really focus on your breathing. Feel each breath as it comes in and as it goes out. Focus on each breath. In and out. In and out. Let your mind wash away all the thoughts. Focus on seeing yourself. Focus on healing. Focus on stillness. Focus on peace. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. While you're focused on your peace, I want you to think of all the things that you've learned throughout your lifetime. All the bits of understanding that you have collected. And as you are thinking about these things, coming from a place of peace, see how all of these experiences have brought you to where you are now, and how they have helped you grow. Hold that breath. And release that breath. Now, centered in our experience, filled with peace and calm, we are going to turn our attention to our body, back to our breath. Focus on each breath, in and out, in and out, in and out. And as you're doing this, breathing in and breathing out, I want you to picture the air around you moving and exchanging. As the air comes in you, it flows through your body, energizing you. And as the air comes out of you, it flows into the universe, energizing the universe, transforming itself into air that will energize you. We are one with the universe. We are in a constant exchange. And that exchange is seen through our breath. The more conscious we are of the exchange, the more control we have of our energy, the easier it is to maintain balance in difficult times. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. Now we will shift our attention back to our breath. Focus on each breath in and out. Each breath in and out. we breathe, and we're conscious of our peace and making our mind stable, we aid our body, focusing on our breath and the exchange with the universe, helping our body find balance. And the more we work on these, the easier it is for us to share harmony within ourselves, finding a harmony is about feeling the different parts of ourselves and allowing all of the different rhythms to sync up. The more peace and the more balance we have, the more harmony we can share. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. Our community is those that we live with and those who share resources with us. Our community and our environment, which is where we live, affect how we grow. So we want to find harmony within ourselves and our community and environment. Deep breath. Hold that breath. And release. You may open your eyes. It's important that we maintain our peace, our balance, and strive for harmony within our community and our environment.